2008 Nissan Rogue with bad AC clutch. Usually the clutch goes bad on those cars here. That's a new replacement. This is the old one. Okay, so you can get away with just replacing the clutch, which is the main part that goes bad. So basically you need to open this bolt here, slide the clutch out, and first of all, actually the belt, you have to loosen this 114, loosen it a little bit, take the belt off, take this bolt, slide the clutch out. There is a snap ring in there, you have to just push together and take it out. This pulley should slide out. When the clutch slides out and the pulley, the magnetic field for the clutch is inside, like 3 screws. You remove them, slide the magnetic piece out, put the new one in, 3 bolts, attach it, put the pulley back, push it in, put the snap ring, and put the bolt in, and make sure there is play and actually space between clutch and this. There's 2 pieces, like a spacer, like 2 washers that's inside the clutch from the back. That makes it have some space in there. If you don't put the spacers, this is gonna attach to the pulley and it would run, the compressor would run on all time, which might create problems. So that's the magnetic field piece that actually pushes the clutch in, activates by those wires. So it has 3 screws that holds in, and the pulley slides on top of it. So this goes for Nissan Rogues, Nissan Maxima, Ultima, so it's not a big deal. Just make sure you don't strip anything on it. So if your clutch, if you have power at the wire here, when you put the clutch on or the AC on and the clutch doesn't move, you basically have a bad clutch. So you can buy this online really cheap, 60 bucks, 50 bucks, and save yourself the hassle of taking everything apart to replace the compressor. So try this first and see how everything turns out. I hope this helps. This is again 2008 Nissan Rogue with bad AC clutch. Okay.